Princey, do you want your new toy? We gotta take off the tag first. Just wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber from Saving Mamacita, and look what I got. This box is huge. It's the Spring FabFitFun 2020 unboxing. Gonna happen right now. You guys excited? I am so excited. This box comes 4 times a year. So when you get it, it is like this feeling of overwhelming excitement. And yes, I'm feeling that right now. Are you guys ready to see what's inside my box? I can't wait any longer, so let's go ahead and unbox the FabFitFun Spring 2020 edition. All right, here we go. Let's do it. What do you got? Okay, I must tell you guys, I went ahead and went in early for a little bit of shopping. I went and got some extras, some add-ons is what they call them. And basically what they are their products at heavily discounted rates that you can check out and add them to your cart, and you will automatically be charged them, and they'll ship along with your actual box, FabFitFun box. So, as you all know, I have this cute little puppy named Prince, and he is going to be the recipient of a couple of my add-ons. So here's what I got. A Max Bone Ocean Blue rope toy. Isn't that cute? Can't wait to give it to him. He's going to have so much fun with this. Can't go wrong with a chew toy for a puppy, right? So there we go. And this one, so excited. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's called the envogue pet bed. Look how adorable this is. Look at this pet bed. Isn't that so cute? Has little puppies all over it with glasses. They're wearing glasses. It's like a medium-sized bed, so it'll work perfectly for my little Prince boy. Adorable. I cannot wait to give this and this to my baby boy. So those are a couple of my add-ons. Then in addition, I received, it's called Summer and Rose. Summer and Rose. It's a cute little packet. Oh, I know what these are, you guys. Summer and Rose glasses. Now these glasses are good for us nerds who love to be on our phones and our devices. Anyways, these glasses, look at them. Aren't those so cute? They are, as I said, Summer and Rose brand. And they are supposed to protect your eyes from the blue light that bounces off of our devices to protect our eyes. So, how cute are these, you guys? I like them a lot. Don't I look so fashionable? Fashionable? Oh yeah, these are adorable. I think I only paid, I don't know if the price is on here. They're called Summer and Rose Judy Blue Blockers. I will let you all know how much I paid for them in my description. Along with all the other products that I receive, I will also list them in my description box with a link, so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. But yeah, these are legit. I think I look good, and I protect my eyes at the same time. Girl, can't go wrong with that, right? So, okay, those were my 3 add-ons, and now Spring FabFitFun box. I showed you my add-ons that I received earlier. Like I said, I'm so excited for those. The glasses, the dog bed, and the dog toy for my baby boy. FabFitFun. If you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, you're going to have to go to their website and check it out. Basically, you get a box for each season, so 4 times a year. And you get to customize your box if you so choose. If not, you can go ahead and let it be a surprise. There are 3 items in this box that I absolutely wanted in my box. And you will see that here shortly. And then I wanted them to surprise me with the other items. So I will leave my link in the comment section. So if you guys want to check out your own FabFitFun box, you can click on that link and it'll take you to their site where you can go ahead and sign up for your own. I mean, come on, you guys. You can get your own box, you can unbox it, you can have a great time like I'm having right now. As you can see, unboxing is my favorite. So fun, you guys. It's like Christmas every single month for me. I love unboxing. And I love butterflies. Look at this beautiful inside. There's my box. And they send you this cute magazine with every season, and it looks like Gina Rodriguez is on the cover. I love her. I love her. So yeah, inside of the magazine it has different beauty tips. It has the products, some of the products that are in the box, and it'll have a description of each product along with how to use the products. And of course it has Gina Rodriguez inside and has an interview and all that fun stuff here. Style Made Simple. It's just like a beauty magazine. It's so fun. I love to read this. But the best part is the products inside. So here we go, you guys. The FabFitFun 2020 Spring Edition is right here. We got some fun coupons they throw in. Share to win, FabFitFun. Here is what the inside looks like. Beautiful. Okay, so this is one of the items that I did not know I was going to receive. This is called silicone straws, chic and tonic. There's 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case inside. So basically, these are fun little, if you're drinking juice or happy hour cocktail, they have these awesome straws that you can drink out of, and they're reusable. So, and they have the little brush inside where you can clean them out and use them again. So this would be fun to keep for yourself or to give as a gift. Very cute. These things are very popular now, the reusable straws. So very cool, very, very cool. Secondly, I received, it's called avene, I'm not sure how to say that. Avene, I don't know. But it's thermal spring water, and it's for sensitive skin. Yeah, so this is a nice little spray that you can use it if you have a sunburn, if you have razor burn, any sort of sensitivity. You can use this. You can use it after you work out, that kind of thing. I'm honestly not really familiar with spring water, but I'll have to do some more reading on this. But yeah, that's cool. A cool, fun product to try. Hair care, fast food moisture, leave-on conditioner. How did they know I needed this? My hair is so dry. It gets dry from the styling products that I use, the flat iron, the straightener, the hair dryer, all that stuff does damage to your hair. And so it's a great idea to have a good conditioner, whether it be a leave-on or some sort of protective mask that you can use on your hair to protect it from all the things that we do to it. So this is going to be fun to try. It's called Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. It's also good to calm frizzy hair as well. So definitely going to try that out. It's a big full-size product, and I will let you guys all know how this turns out because I'm excited to try it. Next, we have Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Oh, we need this, right guys? This is a 24-hour skin solution. You can use it nightly after you take a bath and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So it has essential oils in it, including lavender and chamomile to help you sleep better. That is awesome. I know for me, I don't have a problem sleeping, but getting to sleep is never an issue for me. But this is definitely something for somebody that needs to relax a little bit. If you just want to relax before you go to bed, that kind of thing, try it out, and it'll help you sleep better. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. The next thing is Stone Cold Fox tea towels. This is one of the items that I actually chose for my box. So these are tea towels. Let me open it up for you guys so you can see. It's a set, I believe. Yeah, so they're nice little dish towels for your kitchen. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. So I saw these and I'm like, yes, please. I will take them. So 2 cute dish towels. You guys, I love the variety of the products that FabFit offers. I mean, not only is it beauty products or hair care, that kind of thing, they have like fun fashion and they have different items for the home and that kind of thing. And as you can see, the glasses, just a wide variety of items to fit, you know, everybody's needs actually. Who doesn't love home decor and different fun items for your house that you can actually use? So yeah, I'm excited for those. This is another item that I requested for my box. This one is a sweater. This is like a cardigan sweater. It's called Donni, D-O-N-N-I. I think that's how you say it, Donni. So this material is, I don't know, it's a very soft. It says it's an easy to wear seasonal essential that's hard to take off. I love like cardigans or lightweight sweaters for the spring just to throw on when you go outside. So this is a very cute neutral color. It's like a tan, a very tannish gray color. So you can just throw that on, you run outside to run errands or whatever. Just a cute oversized sweater just to throw on over tank tops, long sleeve shirts, whatever. So this is definitely going to be something that I will be using quite a bit, I think. Okay, next I received this is another one that I requested to be in my box. It's called a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. So that comes in this box. So pretty. I love how they do the marketing these days. So adorable. So we're going to untape this and we're going to look what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, we're cute. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Look at all of those different masks that you can try. And then it has an applicator brush right inside that you can use to apply the masks. So in this box there are 2, 4, 6. There's 8 masks, 2 different kinds. So there's a purifying mud mask. And it just comes in a little plastic type container for a single use. So it has that kind, the mud mask, and it has a brown sugar Ready Glow exfoliating mask. And that's that one. I don't know if you can see that. So there's 2 different kinds and 8 total masks inside with the applicator brush. So I love masks. I can't wait to try these. And I love how they box it up so cute and pretty. Awesome! Okay, and the final item that I received in my FabFitFun 2020 spring box is packing cubes. Packing cubes. There are 3 different cubes inside, including a small, a medium, and a large. And they fit perfectly in your luggage bag, drawers, tote bags, gym bags, trunk space. Wherever you need some sort of extra storage for extra items, whether it's for travel or what have you, these bags are going to come in handy. This is also an item that I selected as part of my customization. But they're so fun. Look at the cute pattern, you guys. It has fruit all over them. So adorable. And inside they put the other 2 bags. So you got a large tote for storage, put items in, and you've got a medium, and you have a small. So 3 awesome tote bags that you can put your items in for travel and what have you. So how fun! Okay, you guys, so I've got all of those items in my spring box. I will list them all in my description area, along with the 3 items that I purchased for my add-ons. You guys can see those as well, which include these awesome glasses. I think they're so cute. What do you guys think? Which item do you think you would like the most? List that down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about this FabFitFun box, go ahead, check out the items in my description. There will be a link for you to check out to go to the FabFitFun website yourself and see what they offer and if it would be right for you. So, this has been so much fun, you guys! This box is so fun! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to enjoy these products. I am going to give these sweet items to my pup to see what he thinks. And you guys, thanks so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. What I would appreciate even more is if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And be sure to come back for more. I've got more fun, more unboxings coming your way weekly. So don't forget to come back real soon. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. Princey, do you want your new toy? We gotta take off the tag first. Just wait.